Under the Uniform Commercial Code, or UCC, a seller's damages for the non-acceptance of goods are the difference between the contract price and market price at the time of breach. However, if this difference is inadequate to put the seller in as good a position as it would have been had the contract been performed by the buyer, the seller may recover damages for lost profits. In the 1987 case R.E. Davis Chemical Corporation versus Diasonics, the Seventh Circuit considered whether a lost volume seller could recover lost profits from a buyer. Diasonics, a corporation that manufactured and sold medical equipment, and R.E. Davis, a corporation that purchased medical equipment for healthcare facilities, entered into a written contract. Under the contract, Davis agreed to purchase medical equipment from Diasonics. Pursuant to the contract, Davis paid Diasonics a $300,000 deposit. Additionally, prior to entering into the contract, Davis entered into a separate agreement with Drs. Glenn Dobbin and Galdino Valvasori to establish a healthcare facility where the equipment would be used. Before establishing the facility, Dobbin and Valvasori breached their agreement with Davis, who refused to take delivery of the equipment or pay the balance due under the contract. Diasonics then sold the equipment to a third party for the same price. Nonetheless, Diasonics refused to return Davis's $300,000 deposit and claimed that it was owed the full amount under the contract. Subsequently, Davis sued Diasonics in federal district court for restitution. In response, Diasonics counterclaimed for breach of contract. Specifically, Diasonics argued that it was a lost volume seller and that, in order to be put in as good of a position as it would have been had Davis performed, it was entitled to damages for lost profits. Davis moved for summary judgment as to Diasonics' counterclaim, which the district court granted. In granting the motion, the court held that lost volume sellers are limited to recovering the difference between the resale price and contract price, along with any incidental damages. The court then awarded Davis more than $322,000 in damages, representing the down payment plus prejudgment interest, less incidental damages. Diasonics appealed to the Seventh Circuit.